Hi everyone, welcome to my mom's channel.
And today's my godbrother's birthday.
Yay, I'm gonna be 8 today.
Yeah, so today's video is going to be different. It's going to be kind of a, what do you call it, a montage of the whole weekend? What's a montage, Adi?
I don't know. I've never heard that.
Okay, well, we're going to say that because other YouTubers say a montage, so I'm going to say montage. And right now we're going to go to the movies and enjoy his birthday. Right? Anything else you want to say?
No. We're gonna watch Spies in Disguise. Whoa.
Okay.
We're recording again. Well, we'll enjoy the movie. While we're driving to the movies, we should have a Q&A or something.
Wow.
We're gonna go when we're on our way to the
We'll
outlets.
think about it. We'll think about it. We're not going to the outlets.
The outlets has the Star Movie Theater.
I'm about to ruin his whole day.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dad!
Yeah!
Oh my God. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! What?
No.
Bite it, Mason.
Bite it, Mason.
Just bite it. Go. Bite it. Bite it.
Do it!
Get the mustache on the chain. Get the mustache on
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my street. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it.
You guys look at Bobby. He's spying on the neighbors. Hey, are you guys gonna hit the piñata? Oh, you're watching Mason's dance. Ah!
You're doing it with the force. May the force be with you.
Whoa! So over. Wow, Papi, you're strong, Mason.
Hey, it took me longer to get that thing on there. Should just broke it.
It's okay, Daddy has it, babe. Good job. Hey, moral of the story: don't buy piñatas from Walmart. It broke. It broke on its own. Poor baby, leave him alone.
You're gonna save it, huh?
I found dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mason.
Mason.
Happy birthday to you. Yay!
I was gonna blow it. But no.
Oh. Mason, baby, look at me cut your cake. Look at me cut your cake. You like my knife? You like my knife?
It's a butcher
Told
knife.
me she was kind of embarrassed. I'm like, I was like, my uncle
You like it?
It's like the same thing.
Oh, Mom, can I-
Mine's not even shooting. Spies in disguise.
Get him, shoot
My
him.
gun
Get that,
got
get that.
jammed.
Shoot that, shoot that, shoot that.
Oh! Stop!
Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed just a little bit of what our weekend consisted of. We celebrated our son's 8th birthday this weekend. I can't believe how fast time flew. I really can't believe he's 8 years old. We spent some time with some of our family. Hopefully next weekend we'll get to see more of our family and celebrate more, because it is still his birthday weekend. His birthday is actually Monday, January 20th. So this weekend we can celebrate again. Why not? We'll celebrate all month long. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it's not what I usually post. I just wanted to get something up for you guys. These last couple months have been kind of crazy. My brother was in a bad accident. He broke his femur, so while he was home recovering, I didn't really record. I was just taking care of him, picking on him, and enjoying him being home. Now he's much better. He's actually back at work. He's doing great considering the situation, and hopefully I will get the show on the road again. I'll be posting more. Back to baking. I more than likely won't be doing vlogs unless, of course, that's what you guys want to see, but probably not. I don't really do anything with my life. I'm pretty boring, and I'm always busy baking anyway, so I'll get back to it. You guys wish my son a happy birthday, and let me know what else you guys would like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.